What's going on, guys? So today I wanted to do another Thrift with me video. Need to take my packages to the post office, so let's go. Here's my packages for the day. I had a busy night of sales last night, so that's good. Can't complain about last night's sales. Hopefully this weekend's busy. just wanted to quick do the haul of what I did end up picking up. I got this and all the accessories. So just wanted to go through them with you. So I got this 70s maxi dress. Does have the belt. Love the print. This is really cool. I like the disco collar, pointed collar. I did get this Ralph Lauren Volunteers t-shirt. Here's the label. Not too sure if it's vintage, but anything that's Ralph Lauren, it has like the polo pony on it, I do end up getting. I believe this is a 60s label. I'll have to look it up. Anything that's like 100% wool, this is lamb's wool. It's in good condition. I like to pick up anything that's like natural fibers like silk, wool, cashmere. It's in good condition. This is a nice color, like the Kelly green. This one was my favorite find from today. Right here it says 1958 to 1965. Charles Schultz, Snoopy and Woodstock. It is a hoodie. Here's the label. I believe this is from 1965 just because of, this is what that says. I have found some online that says like 1958 to 1971, so I'm assuming from my research that this is from 65. I thought that was really cool. This does look like a 70s label though, so I'm not 100% sure. To do a little bit more research. But I just thought this was so cool. It's in really good condition. I got this dolphin print. It says "Let Them Live," Greenpeace. It is single stitched. Here's the single stitch on that, and it does have on the hem the single stitch. Here's the label. I'm guessing this is from the 80s, just from this label. It's pretty cool. Let's have the dolphins on the back. Just love the graphic. Let's have some small pinholes, but I don't mind that. This is a Scooby-Doo t-shirt. Here's the label. This is from early 2000s. Just thought it was really cute. Has the Scooby-Doo graphic on the sleeve. It says 72. Scooby-Doo. That was cute. I got this J. Crew schoolboy blazer. J. Crew schoolboy blazers sell really well. I've sold quite a few on Poshmark because it's a good size. It's a size 8. It's the pinstripes. Vertical pinstripes are really hot for the spring. So that's another trend to look out for. Has the cool buttons. So I did pick that up. It's like a navy color. This is a Intimately Free People label. It's like a patchwork, the grommets hoodie. I am very picky with Free People now and Anthropologie stuff, but I really like this, so I thought I'd give it a try. This is, I believe it's a vintage tee. It's not single stitch, so it has me kind of tricked. But this graphic has the lines, and everyone I found online, the newer graphic does not have these like black lines on it. And just from feeling this t-shirt, the way it feels vintage to me. Just from handling a lot of vintage tees, like the soft fabric that is really hard to replicate this unless it is a vintage tee. So I did pick this up. I thought it was really cool. It's not single stitch, but I do have some 90s and 80s t-shirts that are vintage that are not single stitch, so not every vintage tee has the single stitching, so it's really hard to tell. But this looks like a really cool graphic, and the way that the graphic also feels makes me believe that it is a true vintage tee. It does have, like, right here, the DC Comics, and then there is a date right here, but I can't quite make it out. It's faded, so it's possible this is from the 80s, early 90s. Another thing I picked up is this 3-leaf clover. It is, here's the label. Anything with this label on it from Ireland, I do pick up, and it sells very well. I sold every sweater I bought has sold from this brand. It's 100% wool. It's in great condition, and since St. Patty's Day is coming. I thought that would be cool. Looks nice with that green sweater that I bought. This is a tooled leather belt, and it has the cool eagle belt buckle. You can take this belt buckle off and put whatever other belt buckle you want on it. It does say made in the United States on the back, and it says 1979. Here's the back. It's genuine leather, number, made in the United States, and it's the tooled leather. Anything that's tooled 100% leather, I do pick up now. It sells really well and it's timeless. I just thought this belt buckle was cool too. The last thing I got was this Longchamp bag. I folded it up, so for my research, it is authentic. How you could tell is the diamond leather pattern. The fake ones do not have the diamond leather like pattern, so that's another way. It has all the markings, the correct markings, and even like the suede feel on the back of this. So I did authenticate it in the store. I wasn't going to waste my time or money on something that I knew was not real. So just try to research things. Don't sell fake merchandise. It's not cool. That's everything I got in today's haul. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be glad to get back to you. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.